Good evening, everyone. A very happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Yo Mama 2021 event is a competition wherein we had four competitions for mothers. Jankar Beats, dance competition, Kalakriti, making of making of showpieces and wall hangings, Kesh Sajja, a hairdo competition, Sur Bahar, singing competition. It was indeed an overwhelming experience for us at DPS Mauti Kunj DLL City to see the performances of moms. So let's get started with the grand finale of Yo Mama 2021. But first, let's have a look at the lovely moms who have enthusiastically participated in the event. Thank you.
लुका छुपी बहुत हुई सामने आ जाना कहाँ कहाँ ढूंढा तुझे थक गई है तेरी माँ आजा सांझ हुई मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई देख मेरी नजर आ जाना मेरी रोटी की गोलाई माँ सर्दी वाली रजाई माँ मेरा पहला अक्षर माँ मेरे सबसे भीतर माँ
स्वेटर वाली बुनाई माँ छाँव से ज्यादा ठंडी कागज पे लगी बिंदी डर लगता है जब रोती है माँ ना होने पे भी होती है माँ लोरी जैसे कोल मैं बच्चा हूँ आंगन मेरी आंखों में भराई माँ मेरी रोटी की गोलाई माँ
मायरे तुझ बिन मैं तो अधूरा रहा मायरे मुझसे ही रूठी मेरी परछाई तेरा ख्याल माए तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल माए तेरी चुनरिया लहराई अगली है दुनिया रब को मनाने मंदिर मज़ारों तक जाती है घर में ही मेरे होता है तीरथ मुझको नजर जब मारती है मुझको नजर जब मारती है माँ बच्चों की जान होती है माँ बच्चों की जान होती है वो होते हैं किस्मत वाली जिनके माँ होती है ये कितनी सुंदर है ये कितनी शीतल है न्यारी न्यारी है ओ माँ ओ माँ ओ माँ ओ माँ जन्म जन्म रहे तू मेरे पास माँ जन्म जन्म हो तू ही ज़मीं आसमां हो तू ही ज़मीं आसमां
gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Good evening and a very warm welcome to everyone. On behalf of Delhi Public School Maruti Kunj, it is my honor to welcome you all to the valedictory ceremony of Yo Mama 2021. We are truly blessed with your presence. I consider it a great honor to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Manoj Agarwal, Executive Vice President, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, respected Principal, Mr. Akhilesh Chandra Chaturvedi, Vice Principal, Mrs. Ritu Malik, Headmaster, Mr. Vinod Papreja, Primary Wing in Charge, Mrs. Simi Anand, Mrs. Rashma Saxena, and Senior Mistress, Mrs. Beena Mudgil. I also take this opportunity to welcome our meet representatives, Ms. Neha Jain and Mr. Suresh Chitkara. Yo Mama 2021 was not just a competition. It was a platform for the mothers, grandmothers to not only showcase but also explore their hidden talents, which truly prove the saying, age is just a number. Our sincere thanks to all the beautiful ladies who participated in the event wholeheartedly and in such large numbers. Today is the day to finally announce the winners of all the competitions. So stay tuned with us till the end of the event. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. In spiritual word, light means life. So we can also think of light as giving us new direction in life. With this noble thought, let us have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. Builds character, inspires dreams, encourages creativity, builds confidence, instills a lot of learning, touches our heart and changes our lives forever. Yes, I'm talking about none other than the man who needs no introduction and is well known among all of us for his wisdom and knowledge. our Honorable Principal, Mr. Akhilesh Chandra Chaturvedi. I request you, sir, to please address the virtual gathering. Please, sir.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Respected Chief Guest, Sri Manoj Agrawal ji, Executive Vice President, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, Administrator, Meet, Member, Management Committee, DPS, Maruti Kunj. My supporting heads, Vice Principal, Mrs. Ritu Malik, Headmaster, Sri Vinod Papreja, Primary Wing in charges, Mrs. Simmi Anand and Rashma Saxena, Senior Mistress, Mrs. Beena Mudgal, Meet Representative, Ms. Neha and Mr. Chitkara, fellow colleagues, respected mothers, all parents, and my dear students. A very special day today, Mother's Day. When we thought of this concept, we wanted to have it live, but unfortunately, the condition and the situation did not permit us to have this live program. Then we thought, let's have it virtual. And my biggest compliments and the appreciation to the team DPS Maruti Kunj and the DLF City. So in this pandemic situation, the way they designed the program, the way they worked for this, and today all of you are going to witness their hard work, which is a result for more than a month's time. I, on behalf of Delhi Public School Maruti Kunj and the DLF City, extend a very warm welcome to one and all present in today's function. Mother's Day, a very a special program, and it becomes very difficult for me to speak on day. So please forgive me if I am not able to have a control on my emotions. I'm remembering my mother since morning, though I remember her every day, but today becomes a special for me. When we talk about the mother, very, very difficult to describe a mother. What mother does for anyone that cannot be expressed in words. The most respected person on the earth, that's the mother. It's always said, since God cannot remain present everywhere, that's why he created the mother. In terms of mathematics, I was trying to solve an equation, integral function within the limits 0 to infinity ma dx, and the answer, whatever the pages I have, all filled, but I could not complete the answer till today. So these are the qualities those who are present in today's function, those who have participated and those who will be performing, they must be feeling proud for themselves. My respect to all of you. Not taking much of your time, I'm sure all of you are waiting for the function because it's the grand finale. The event which was announced long back and then everybody participated, and then the judges has a tough time for making the selection this time because it was too difficult to distinguish between the 1 and 2. So you will find there were many, like it was too difficult to assign like who is going to be the number 1, but somehow we were able to get the result. So maybe in the end that also you will have. So once again, my compliments to everybody and my respect to all mothers. Before I conclude, I would like to have few words in Hindi for the mother. खुदा का काम था मोहब्बत, वो माँ करने लगी। खुदा का काम था मोहब्बत, वो माँ करने लगी। खुदा का नाम था हिफाजत, वो माँ करने लगी। खुदा का नाम था बरकत, वो भी माँ करने लगी। देखते ही देखते कोई और परवरदिगार हो गया। यह देखकर खुदा बहुत मासूम हुआ। क्यों? कि वो माँ को बना के खुदा बेरोजगार हो गया। So with these my words, all compliments to everybody. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much Agrawal sir for sparing your valuable time and blessing all of us. Your presence in today's function will be a big motivation for me and my entire team. Thank you so much sir. Thanks. Have a wonderful evening together. Thank you everyone.
Thank you for your motivating words, sir. We are so grateful to have you as our principal.
अपने आंचल में छिपा कर रखा, अपने आंचल में छिपा कर रखा, खुद जलती रही वह धूप में। मैंने देखा है एक फरिश्ता माँ के रूप में। माँ एक ऐसा शब्द, इस पूरे ब्रह्मांड में एक ऐसा शब्द जिसे पूरी कायनात मिलकर भी परिभाषित नहीं कर सकती। और माँ की ममता को शब्दों में पिरो पाना असंभव ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है। वैसे तो औरत के अनेक रूप हैं, किंतु माँ के रूप को ही भगवान का दर्जा दिया गया है, क्योंकि जहाँ भगवान स्वयं नहीं पहुँच सकते वहाँ उन्होंने माँ को प्रकट किया है। ऐसे ही कुछ भाव पिरोए गए हैं इस छोटी सी कविता में। परफेक्शन की मूरत है माँ, धरती पर भगवान का रूप है माँ। गॉड का दिया हम बच्चों को सबसे एक्सपेंसिव गिफ्ट है माँ। खुशियों का ट्रेजर है माँ, लव और एंगर का खट्टा मीठा खेल है माँ। अपने आप में एक मास्टरपीस है माँ। माँ सबसे अनोखी मल्टीटास्कर, उसका लोरी गाकर सुलाना, प्यार से हमें खाना खिलाना और छोटी से छोटी बात बिन बोले ही समझ जाना। ऑफिस का काम करते हुए होम मिनिस्टर की ड्यूटी निभाना, टीचर बनकर फिर बच्चों को भी पढ़ाना। वॉशिंग मशीन और मिक्सी चलाते चलाते कंप्यूटर और लैपटॉप का कीबोर्ड भी बखूबी चलाती है माँ, तभी तो अब टेक सेवी भी कहलाती है माँ। सच है, मल्टीटास्किंग की मास्टर है माँ। माँ की मल्टीटास्किंग किसी मिरेकल से कम नहीं। हमारी खुशनसीबी है कि हम उससे हैं, वह हमसे नहीं। हमारी हर मिस्टेक को माफ करती है माँ, हर पल हमें इंस्पायर करती है माँ। निराशा, अकेलेपन और थकान से जूझती है माँ, फिर भी आत्मनिर्भरता की लड़ाई को लड़कर आगे बढ़ती है आज की माँ, आगे बढ़ती है आज की माँ। सैल्यूट है हर माँ को, सैल्यूट है उसकी ममता को, सैल्यूट है उसकी मल्टीटास्किंग को, सैल्यूट है उसकी सुपर पावर को, सैल्यूट है उस माँ को, सैल्यूट है हर माँ को, सैल्यूट है हर माँ को। Yo mama, you are the world.
Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of life. It is the most beautiful form of humans' feelings, the hidden language of the soul. Dancing is so much more than just grooving on the dance floor to your favorite tunes. With that saying, let's witness a scintillating dance performance by the Dipsites.
लाडो उंगली पकड़ के फिर से सिखा दे,
गोदी उठा लेना माँ, आंचल से मेरा मुंह पोंछ देना, मैला सा लागे जहाँ। आंखें दिखाए मुझे जब जिंदगी, याद मुझे आती है तेरे गुस्से की। डांटा भी तो तूने मुझे फूलों की तरह, क्यों नहीं माँ सारी दुनिया तेरी तरह। मुझको शिकायत करनी है सबकी, मुझको सताते हैं माँ। अब तू छुपा ले, पास बुला ले, मन है अकेला यहाँ।
लाडो
माँ जैसी दुनिया में कोई नहीं, मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड मेरी माँ।
थोड़ी सी क्यूट है, थोड़ी सी करारी भी, थोड़ी सी कूल है, थोड़ी सी पुरानी भी। जैसे गर्मी में ठंडा सा शरबत, खट्टा मीठा सा, जैसे सर्दी में चाहत का कोई कंबल मोटा सा। मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है। मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है, मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है।
हजारों फूल चाहिए, हजारों फूल चाहिए एक माला बनाने के लिए, हजारों दीपक चाहिए एक आरती सजाने के लिए। सातों सुर मिले तो बन जाता है मधुर संगीत, पर माँ अकेली ही काफ़ी है बच्चों के जीवन को गुलजार बनाने के लिए। प्रस्तुत है एक गीत जिसे पेश करने जा रहे हैं हमारे अपने ही विद्यालय के बच्चे।
Mama,
माँ तुझे सलाम। हमें ये बताते हुए अत्यंत हर्ष अनुभव हो रहा है कि आज के इस प्रोग्राम की सफलता का श्रेय हमारे उन सभी प्रतिभागियों को जाता है जिन्होंने इसमें बढ़ चढ़कर भाग लिया और अपने कौशल के प्रदर्शन से इसे यादगार बनाया। प्रत्येक प्रस्तुतिकरण अपने आप में एक उदाहरण था। आइए देखते हैं इस प्रोग्राम की कुछ झलकियां जो कि अत्यधिक सराहनीय हैं।
Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Gama bala, gama, gama bala, gama esa. Gama bala, gama, gama bala, gama esa. Mapani pa gama, gama bala, gama esa. Za, gama basa, gama. I'm in love with your body. Why, 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 why? Niri bama ba, niri bama ba, kare sami. Why, 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 why? Pani sa sa, pani sa sa, pani sa sa. Why, 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 why? Kare ni sa, ba, kare sa mi da ba. Why, 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 why? Takar, kat, kat. Ragir da dum da 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 di ra 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 ra. Takar da dum da takar da dum takar da dum 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 da na 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 di na 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 dum. Kirtan di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa. Kirtan di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa. Kirtan di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. Gama ba ma gama. Gama bala, gama esa. Gama bala, gama, gama bala, gama esa. Mapani pa gama, gama bala, gama esa. Za, gama basa, gama. I'm in love with your body. Why, 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 why? Niri bama ba, kare sami. Why, 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 why? Pani sa sa, pani sa sa, pani sa sa. Why, 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 why? Kare ni sa, ba, kare sa mi da ba. Why, 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 why? Takar, kat. Ragir da dum da 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 di ra 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 ra. Takar da dum da takar da dum takar da dum 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 da na 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 di na 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 dum. Kirtan di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa. Kirtan di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa. Kirtan di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
Come on, let's paint with some colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Mix them together to get purple, green, and orange too. We put the paint on the brush and we swirl it all around. We swirl it all around on the canvas. We call it art. Oh, we call it art. Yeah, we call it art. Oh, we call it art. We call it art. So many things that we can draw. Lines, dots, stripes and shapes. Let's use chalk, pencils, markers and crayons to brighten up the page. All these colors to choose from, like turquoise and magenta, lime green and sienna. It's time to sketch. We call it art. Oh, we call it art. Yeah, Come on, let's paint with some colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Mix them together to get purple, green, and orange too. We put the paint on the brush and we swirl it all around. We swirl it all around on the canvas. We call it art. Oh, oh, we call it art. Yeah, we call it art. Oh, oh, we call it art. We call it art. So many things that we can draw. Lines, dots, stripes and shapes. Let's use chalk, pencils, markers and crayons to brighten up the page. All these colors to choose from, like turquoise and magenta, lime green and sienna.
मुझे बता दे तू किस पे आ गया है, वो कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है। तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम। ये जो दुनिया है ये बन है कांटों का, तू हरियाली है ओ माँ। कहते हैं मेरे घुंघरू पायल बाजेगी, कगोरी नाचेगी। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। कितनी अच्छी है तो कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है ओ माँ ओ माँ। ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जागे, कोई जोह जोह ना लागे, जिसे तरह गिर हगे सजे है रोम रोम एक तारा।
करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो।
लुका छुपी बहुत हुई, सामने आ जाना। कहाँ कहाँ ढूंढा तुझे, थक गई है अब तेरी माँ। आजा सांझ हुई, मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई।
A man with distinct vision and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, an idol of knowledge and experience, and inspiration to all of us. Mr. Agarwal is associated with MSIL since its inception in 1983. Sir, please accept our sincere request and grace the ceremony with your wise words. Please, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is indeed an honor for me to be addressing the mothers today. A mother is the emblem of love, and she selflessly showers upon all the affection she has on her children. As very rightly said by principal, that God is not possible to be available everywhere, so therefore he made mother. So I think very nicely he has explained. But I would like to tell that mother is the beauty and the sunshine of life. She is the greatest teacher we would ever have. She is the teacher of love, compassion, forgiveness, perfection, creation and fearlessness. सारी दुनिया फिक्र करना छोड़ सकती है, लेकिन कभी भी माँ फिक्र करना छोड़ नहीं सकती. आज भी अगर हमको कुछ भी हो जाए तो हमारी मदर को सब कुछ पता होता है, हमें शायद उतना पता नहीं होता. तो बिना बताए ही वो हर बात जान जाती है. वो माँ ही है जो अपनी दोस्त बन जाती है. अगर कोई मुसीबत आ जाए तो ढाल बन जाती है. वो माँ ही है जो दुआ बन जाती है. आप सभी लोग फंक्शन के थ्रू आप लोग I congratulate all the participants on this special day. The school owes a special mention as they brought together such an aura of talent even in this unprecedented COVID time. And since I have been here in Maruti since 1983 onwards, so I have seen mutual growth of school as well as Maruti. So I wish school many more successes in years to come. I must put in on record that faculty of DPS Maruti Kunj are doing commendable job by taking school to the greater heights. The DPS Maruti Kunj flag is fluttering high in the sky. I would like to thank principal as well as vice principal for giving me this opportunity to talk on this special day. I was truly spellbound by the sheer magic and vibrancy of the grand finale brought together by such a commendable staff. Once again, I congratulate the entire team and of Maruti Suzuki, DPS Maruti Kunj. God bless you all. And it is really a very, very heart-touching moment. And I also remember my mother a lot, though she is not currently with me here. She is in a different place. So, but in the morning only I had a talk, and every day, if I am not well, she knows before I could even say. So I understand all of your feelings also, and I respect each and every mother. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your influential words. Your presence is a blessing to us.
मंजिल मिले या ना मिले, मंजिल मिले या ना मिले, ये तो मुकद्दर की बात है, पर हम कोशिश भी ना करें ये तो गलत बात है. वैसे तो हर प्रतियोगिता में जीत जरूरी नहीं, जरूरी है उस दौड़ का हिस्सा बनना, उसमें भाग लेना. तो आइए अब हम उस ओर बढ़ेंगे जिसका हम सबको बड़ी बेसब्री से इंतज़ार है, और वह है हमारा आज का परिणाम.
Today we are here to announce the winners of Yo Mama event 2021 and also applauding the victory of our commendable participants. Yo Mama event truly showcases the commitment, enthusiasm, talent and creativity of our affectionate mothers. We would like to thank our participants for making this event a big success. All mothers participated very enthusiastically. Truly, for us, you all are winners. Now it's time to acknowledge the talent of our super creative and empowered mothers. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. And dancers, they don't need wings to fly. Now hold your breath and give a big round of applause for the winners of our first event, Jhankar Beats. Let the beat take over you. I would like to announce the winners of Jhankar Beats for category 1. The title Dancing Queen has been awarded to Miss Uma Sharma and Miss Rachna Mehta. Our dancing diva is Miss Poonam Sindhu. The ballerina title goes to Miss Jyoti Kumar. And here is our super boogie woogie queen, Shalini Sharma. The Twinkle Toes award goes to Kumkum Antim and Mukesh Kumari. Put your hands together for the winners. Moving on to next category of the event, Jhankar Beats. Let's have the winners for category 2. The title Dancing Queen has been awarded to Miss Monica. Our dancing diva is Miss Manisha Verma. The ballerina title goes to Miss Asha Munjal. The Twinkle Toes award goes to Miss Mala Panda. Many congratulations to all the winners. Moving towards to our next event, Kalakriti, a life full of creativity. Art washes away from the soul the dust of everyday life. With that being said, I would like to announce the winners of the event Kalakriti. Miss Renu Bajpai has been awarded with the title of Golden Hands. The title Magical Hands goes to Miss Syantini Mitra. Miss Nishi bagged the title Aesthetic Hands. And here is our skilled artisan, Miss Garima Agarwal and Miss Manjusta Pushila. Please put your hands together for the winners. Nothing makes a woman more beautiful than the belief that she is beautiful. With this quote, I am pleased to announce the winners of the event, Kesh Saja. So cross your fingers for our young hairstylists. The title Iconic Styler goes to Miss Kiran Goyal. Miss Nana Yadav bagged the title Elegant Locks. Our dazzling hairstyler is Miss Veena Gandhi. Miss Renuka Trivedi has been awarded with the title of Chick Bun. A big round of applause for all the winners. It has been truly said, words make you think, music makes you feel, a song makes feel a thought. Yes, music is the soundtrack of our life. Moving ahead, let's have the winners of the event Surbahar. The Nightingale Award goes to Miss Rohina Chawla. The Golden Voice title goes to Miss Millie Sharma and Miss Vandana Mishra. Miss Mamta Dabur has been awarded with the title of Crystal Voice. Our music maestro
is Miss Sunita Gupta. A big round of applause for all the winners. At last, I would like to say for our lovely mothers, yesterday was a dream, tomorrow is a vision, but a day well lived makes every day a dream of happiness and every tomorrow a vision of hope. I would like to congratulate all the winners and the participants. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. A truly great person is hard to find, difficult to part with, and impossible to forget. Our Vice Principal, Ms. Ritu Malik, inspires us each day to dream more, learn more, and become more. Your ability to empathize with the students and constant belief in the staff inspires us all to learn new things. I request you, ma'am, to please present the vote of thanks. Please, ma'am.
A very, very lovely, gorgeous mothers, my dear colleagues and friends, and I can see some children also. It's an honor for the school to have Mr. Agarwal present here today. Sir, thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedule. And thank you for your words of wisdom, because they are a motivating factor for each one of us. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for taking out time and addressing the mothers today on such a lovely occasion. My profound thanks to the principal, Mr. Chaturvedi. Sir, your unconditional support, guiding us throughout. Thank you so much for that support at every walk of life. Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank the heads, the headmaster, the primary wing in charges, the senior mistress. Also a mention of gratitude for our meet representatives, Ms. Neha and Mr. Chitkara. I would like to congratulate all the mothers and grandmothers who took out time to prepare the videos for the various events. Hats off to you. A big round of applause for every single mother who participated in today's program, and also the grandmothers. It is so very motivating for us educators to see you all come out and participate in such large volumes. So congratulations. Happy Mother's Day to each one of you. And I would like to convey my wishes for the wives also of all the male fathers who are present here today, for their wives, for their mothers, for everyone. Very, very happy Mother's Day to everyone. I would also like to thank the entire faculty of Delhi Public School Maruti Kunj who put together today's program. I think they also need a big round of applause, audience, if you could applaud the staff who brought together this program today. And before I conclude, I would like to leave you all with another few words. Moms are like guardian angels to us when they are on this earth. And when they go to heaven, they have that much more power to watch us and guide us. It will always continue. Thank you all. Have a wonderful, pleasant evening. Stay safe. Stay healthy, everyone. Happy Mother's Day once again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. We are privileged to have your immense support.
ऊर्जा व जोश से भरे प्रत्येक प्रस्तुतिकरण को देखकर बरबस ही जहन में ये पंक्तियां आ रही हैं कि नए दौर के नए सफ़र की रफ्तार अभी बाकी है। यह तो एक पन्ना था, अभी तो पूरी किताब बाकी है। अंत में कला प्रस्तुति, केश श्रृंगार, सुरों की सरगम, पायल की झनकार, सफल बनाया आपने यो ममा को, स्वीकार करें हमारा आभार। स्वीकार करें हमारा आभार।
Yo mama, you are the best. Yo mama, you are the best. Yo mama masti mein dul, yo mama raji ye khol, yo mama kal to dikha, yo mama sur to laga, yo mama,
You are the best.
yo mama, you are the best. You love, you care, you always stand by the side, always motivating with a smile so wide. It's time to show your swag, you lovely ladies, get up, show your talent to all. Yo mama, you are the best. Yo mama, you are the best. मिला है मौका कुछ करने का, अनोखे दौर में रंग भरने का, अपनी पायल तू खन का, अपने केस तू लहरा, कुछ कला दिखा, थोड़ा गुनगुना, कुछ कला दिखा, थोड़ा गुनगुना। Yo mama, you are the best. Yo mama, you are the best. तू ही तो पूजा है, तू ही तो दूजा है, तेरे बिना जीना भी तो अधूरा। कोई न रोके, कोई न टोके, कहते हैं बिजी फिर भी है क्रेजी। Yo mama, you are the best. Yo mama, you are the best. Yo mama, you are the best. Yo